geostatistical and geotechnical analysis of the terrain of Onitsha metropolis and its environs in Anambra State, southeastern Nigeria. By Dominic Chukwukandulu and Romanus Uregbunam Iduno. Studies have shown that there are still growing concerns about global population growth and the direction of the growth. Latest population figures show that India has overtaken China presently as the most populated country in the world. Malthus's theory of population growth, even though in relation with food production, is becoming true in all aspects of human existence. The suggested measures of Malthus's critics, new lands, international trade, and industrialization are among the attractions of the new population direction, the urban centers with massive accommodation pressure and subsequently unplanned urban growth, especially in developing countries. The study aimed at carrying out geostatistical and geotechnical analysis of the terrain of Onitsha metropolis and its environs in Anambra State, southeastern Nigeria, and to determine if the terrain can support the growth and expansion of the city occasioned by the influx of people in recent years. The study used both primary and secondary data. The primary data comprises physical observation, measurements, soil sample extraction, and photographs. The secondary data includes satellite images from USGS, SRTM for image analysis of the geology and geomorphology of the area. The soil results for the geotechnical parameters were analyzed using multiple linear regression analysis in Statistical Package for the Social Sciences, SPSS, version 25.0 and Microsoft Excel, 2007. The study identified areas of strong and weak geology and concluded that Onitsha metropolis requires executable plans for the metropolis to attain the status of a sustainable city. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.